Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are checking out this 60-inch locking cabinet by Holman. This is a fantastic product to keep all of your valuables secure inside of your cargo van. It comes with this large T-handle that opens up simply and easily. Now, another great thing that I wanted to mention about this door is that the hinge can actually be mounted on either side, so it opens either way, which gives you that flexibility within your cargo van system. Inside, you can see there's ample space to move around these adjustable shelves to put away tools and other things that you may need to lock away when you're not with your cargo van. Of course, you can also see that Holman provides spots to add on accessories onto this locker, so you can continue to make your shelving system more and more flexible with your needs for your trade. This locker system is also in the gray steel powder coated color that all of the other Holman shelves are also. And inside you can see it also has a back to it on each. The entire thing is enclosed essentially, so you're able to lock away things securely without them falling back behind and getting lost, or having the potential for someone to reach back and grab things out of your locker. You can find products like this at upfitsupply.com.